How to use Square gift cards. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create gift cards from Square and also how you can send them and make them as payments. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over squareup.com. So right here, we have the access to the admin dashboard. So to be able to see the admin dashboard, obviously you need to sign up or sign in for an account within this platform. So once you have the access here, you're going simply to see the dashboard. Here we have some statistics, some accountable here amounts, and also some actions. Now, how we can create the gift cards. We're going to head over here at the left side of the menu or the screen. You're going to see some quick access and all the products right there below. So we are going to ignore the quick access and see here all the products. And from here we have items and orders, reporting, sales channels, staff and payrolls, payments, and etc. So we are going to select from here or from this list payments. It will here drop a menu to the left side or the right side. As you can see, we have appointments, bill pay, contracts, gift cards, and etc. So we are going to click on gift cards. Once you have did that, you're going to see that you can go ahead and order gift cards or set up electronic gift cards right there. So the features that will present for you or will give you for the free cards or gift cards right there, it is going to be here easy redemption, self reload, promotions, and keep more money at your business. So you are going to set up these gift cards to satisfy your needs. So, so you are going simply to grow your business with a custom gift card program that can be offered in store and online. Fees apply when funds are loaded to a card. So basically, you are going to use these e-gift cards to your store or online website. As you can see here at the left side, we have the e-gift cards. You can go ahead and configure and set up the discounts. We have also the plastic gift cards, so we are going to order these gift cards. So you can get more customers, new customers in a given year when using Square gift cards. So you are going simply right there to order the cards and right there distribute them to your customers. You can also use the promotional tools, which is going to be here the advantage of the gift card. Now let's go ahead and set up our gift card or e-gift card. So you are going to see here the designs that are available. We have, as you can see, some templated here themes. You can see that we have some holidays theme going on, Halloween, as you can see, since it is the season of the Halloween. We have the occasions, general, and etc. Also, you can go ahead and add your design right there by selecting an design or a PNG photo or a PNG template from, for example, where here we have Canva. You can go ahead and use any design tool to design your gift card. For example, I'm going to set up here card, gift card on Canva. And then we are going to see the different templates. So we are going to see here the different templates. You can go ahead and get this gift card, for example. This, I'm going to set up this one or any one of the gifts right there. Let's start with this one. So we are going to customize this template and get that specific one. So I have set that because I will let you see here how we can get that gift card. Also, for example, here we are going from Jack Stores, and we are going to get it as a PNG. So we are going basically to get it here. So the format, I think that it doesn't matter. So we're going to get it as it is. Click on download. Now I am going to drag and drop the image or the gift card design here, and you are going to set up the description of it, also the borders. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So we're going to set it like this. Maybe this is better. So like that. This is a better idea. So we are going to set up the description as gift card simply. Click on save and boom. So we have chosen the design. We're going to click on next. And here we are going to set up the settings of the eGift card. So we have the card amount. We're going to set up the amount 1, amount 2, 3, 2, 4 amounts. So the minimum load amount is going to be here 10. The maximum is going to be here 25. Or you can go ahead and set it as 50. The redemption policy is going to be right there. So the e-card policy value does not expire. So the additional policy, you can go ahead and add some specific details about the card right there, but I will not going to add that, or you can go ahead and do that. So I will try and click on finish and see. Your e-card order page is almost ready. So finish setting up the home. This is the home page. So we are going to head over to payments again and click on gift cards and see the e-gift card. Here we have set up the e-gift card. As you can see, we have a different dashboard of it. Here, the texting e-gift card is here. Customers can now text e-gift card to their recipients. So you are going to see here the e-gift card page. It is taking a little bit of time, but it is okay. So we have some time to spend until the page will be ready. So it is under here the step of the creation. So basically you can go ahead and click on e-gift cards and click on configure. So we are going to get here the choice to sell e-gift cards online. And also you can go ahead and here create the discounts and create some discount codes. Right there was for the e-gift card. Now for the plastic gift card, you are going to order a card, select a design for it, also set them for your clients. So as you can see, I don't know why the pages are here, most of them blocked, but maybe it is some right there problem going on with the server, but here we have it. So for the overview or the necessity of the gift cards, you are going to use them for promotional purposes. So we are going to let our insight clients buy some gift cards or gift them to the clients. Of course, it is an internal or an external exchange right there to gain either more clients or to make the clients buy for their loved ones. Let's say here's products from your store. So we are going basically to have an online website right there, and these online website will work with the e-gift cards that you have sold. For example, you are going to give them a discount, and this discount is going to be automatically generated when they are on the checkout page. So that was the necessity of the e-gift cards or any gift card system that is going on. So that was all for today's video. Do not forget to set up your shop on the gift cards right there. Also the shop on of your choice right there on the SquareUp platform, because it is very necessary. It is only the way that you are going to make the customers redeem their gift card on. And here we have it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.